Bruha! Ako si Asha Bruha at ready na akong mag-share ng dog wisdom. Una, dogs are loyal, hindi ka iiwan. Pangalawa, dogs are protective, bantay kahit tulog ka. Pangatlo, dogs are playful bro, kahit simpleng bola, happy na.
Pang-apat, dogs are loving, unlimited hugs guaranteed.
Panglima, dogs are intelligent. Minsan, mas mabilis pa sa Wi-Fi.
Pang-anim, dogs are empathetic, ramdam nila feelings mo.
Pang-pito, dogs are loyal companions. Best friend forever. Literal. Pang-walo, dogs are joy givers back kasi araw-araw may good vibes. At yan ang 8 dog qualities na dapat mong mahalin. Don't forget, woof woof, and see you next vlog!
Shout out to those with dogs out there. Comment the name of your dog. Thanks!